Hello everyone. I hope you are safe and sound at home. Welcome to GK class for class 7. This is your book of general knowledge for class 7. We are going to start the chapter Greenhouse Effect. Let's discuss the terms that you are going to do in this topic. Greenhouse gases, the atmospheric gas like carbon dioxide that traps the heat of the sun. Greenhouse effect, the process of heating up of the earth by the greenhouse gases which trap the heat of the sun. Atmosphere, the blanket of air that surrounds the earth. Weather, an atmospheric condition of a place for a short period of time. Climate, an atmospheric condition of a place for a long period of time. Deforestation, cutting down of the trees on a large scale. Fossil fuel, fuel that we get from dead and decay of animals and plants. Industries, a place or a factory where raw materials are converted into finished product. Acrostic poem, a poem in which you choose a word or a name, then choose each letter of a name as a beginning of the word or line that tells something about the person or a topic. Let's start with the topic, the greenhouse effect and the global warming. We know that rays of sun warm the earth's surface. A part of the radiation that falls on the earth's surface is absorbed by it and a part is reflected back into the space. A part of reflected back of the radiation is trapped by the atmosphere. The trapped radiation further warms the earth. The trapping of radiation by the earth's atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. The few gases are responsible for greenhouse effect, that is for trapping of the radiation are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor. You know that carbon dioxide is one of the major component of air and is essential for photosynthesis, but excess of CO2 in the air acts as a pollutant. In fact, carbon dioxide is continuously being released as a result of human activities. The area under forest is also decreasing. The amount of carbon dioxide increases as the number of trees which consume carbon dioxide decreases. This CO2 traps the heat and does not allow it to escape into the space. As a result, the average temperature of the earth is gradually increasing. This is called the global warming. The increase in the earth temperature, even as little as 0.5 degrees Celsius, can cause a serious effects such as the rise in sea levels, melting of the glaciers. This is a picture of greenhouse. Greenhouse, the same principle is used to grow plant in the cold regions or in the nurseries where the big houses of glass are made. In these houses, sun's heat is allowed to enter, but it is not allowed to escape. This trapped heat warms the glass house and is called as a greenhouse. Now consider our planet Earth. The atmosphere acts as a glass and that traps the heat. The greenhouse effect is essential in order to keep our Earth warm. In the absence of this effect, the temperature of the Earth's surface would have been minus 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. But too much is something is bad, right? If plant and greenhouse receive excess heat, it would burn. If we consider planet Earth, over the last 2 centuries, the human activities have changed the atmosphere in a dramatic way. The amount of greenhouse gases is increased and it is still increasing. The greenhouse gases trap too much of heat. This excess of greenhouse effect results in the global warming, which is an increase in the Earth's global temperature. What can be done by us? How can we contribute to reduce the global warming? We can reduce the global warming by planting more and more trees, reducing waste, reducing the use of products which generate CFC gas, chlorofluorocarbon, like AC, fridge, using energy efficient appliances, increasing the fuel efficiency of the vehicles, using more and more non-conventional energy instead of using more and more use of conventional energy. We should use solar energy, we should use wind energy for running the appliances at home. In this way, we can reduce the global warming. Let's start with another topic, acrostic poem. An acrostic poem uses the letters in the topic word to begin each line. All lines of the poem should relate or describe the poem. Two examples are given like sun. S for shines brightly, U for up in the sky, N for nice and warm. Here I have given two examples to you on write an acrostic poem on the earth. You can write in such a way the acrostic poem on the earth, or you can get more ideas with the help of internet. So I hope you understood the topic and you will able to solve the exercises. I'll come with the next video. Thank you.